Welcome to the login screen of the Colossus Institutional Hub. Typically, two-factor authentication is required, but for this demonstration, we've bypassed it. Once logged in, we're taken directly to the home screen of the dashboard. The interface provides key details, such as the user, the company, the currently selected provider, and the vault in use. You'll also notice that we're currently operating in the testnet environment. In the settings, you can see the available custody providers. More options are coming soon, but for this demo, we'll be selecting Fireblocks. Let's head back to the dashboard. Next, we'll explore the features of Secret by clicking on Secret. Several functions are available: Send Token, Delegate Token, Undelegate Token, Withdraw Rewards, and upcoming features like Redelegate Token and Withdraw Commissions. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the Delegate Token function. It's important to note that Secret is one of the coins not natively supported by Fireblocks. Clicking Delegate Token brings up the interface. On the left, you'll see input fields for the selected validator, Colossus in this case, the amount to delegate, and the private key file. For this demo, we'll delegate one secret. This process involves a threshold of 2 signers, so we'll simulate the steps for Client 1 and Client 2 as they each enter parts of the key. After selecting the file, we click Submit. If successful, the first client's status will turn green, and the same steps will be repeated for Client 2. Next, we move on to submit the signature request through the mobile app of our custody provider, which in this case is Fireblocks. A pop-up will guide us step by step through the signature process. The first confirmation we receive is that the transaction has been successfully sent to our custody provider. Before signing, it's important to verify that the transaction we're about to sign matches our intentions. This is where Colossus's Transaction Lens feature comes in. It allows us to display the clear transaction, clear TX, in hexadecimal format and view transaction details in plain text, such as the validator address, amount, and encrypted hash. This ensures the transaction aligns with what we'll be signing on Fireblocks. To verify that, we can use different tools, such as a decoder. In this case, we will use the decoder developed by Colossus. We copy the clear transaction, paste it into the decoder, select Secret, and analyze it. In this way, we can confirm that the hash matches what's shown on the platform. Once verified, the signature request will appear as pending. By clicking on Broadcast List, we're taken to the list of transactions, where we can see that our transaction is pending, awaiting signature in the Fireblocks app. The check button refreshes the list. Now, we'll proceed to the Fireblocks app for signature. After signing, the broadcast list updates. By clicking Check, the status will change to Processing. If the transaction is successful, the status will turn green. Here we can review additional information such as the date and time of execution. Finally, we can revisit the transaction lens for a detailed view of the transaction, including the type, amount, addresses involved, and information about the requester.